We're going to challenge our bodies, build strength and support and longevity in this beginner's kettlebell challenge. We're going to swing for 20 seconds and we're going to rest for 30 seconds for 6 rounds. So the intention is to complete all 6 rounds, and that means 2 minutes of kettlebell swings. Now don't worry if you can't complete all 6 rounds. This is a beginner's workout. Do as many rounds as you can, but if you start a round, you must finish the round, okay? And the goal, as I said, is to eventually complete all 6 rounds. workout's finished, how did you get on? Did you manage to do all 6 rounds? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed that workout, maybe you'd like to try this little bit more challenging kettlebell workout here. Go and press here and check it out. Give it a go. If you don't try, you'll never know. Take care of yourself.